Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to send videos on Discord Mobile. Firstly, I'm gonna try to get out from my gallery because I don't know, it's more importantly for my site and it's a lot easier. Now I will go and choose a video, for example this one. I will go for the send option and I will scroll down to find out the Discord application. By scrolling right, as you can see, here it is, the Discord site, and here I can go and I can add a comment. I can choose on which channel I want to send or on which person I can get up through his account or her account. I will go, for example this one. I will go on my right upper side by sending, and we need to wait to get up to the video and to make up our point of this main thing. Now, as you can see guys, we have sent this video on Discord. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.